Today I am going to discuss the exercise 4.2 second question. See the question first. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of. In that we have again two sub questions, 9 sides and 15 sides. Let's start the solution. Here what we have to find? We have to find the each exterior angle. Here we have to calculate the value of each extra angle. We don't know, so make it a question mark. Next, what they given the question here? Here they given a 9 sides. So the number of sides is denoted as the small letter n, which is equal to 9 sides. So total how many sides are there? 9 sides are there. Here what we have to calculate? Each exterior angle. Here we already know that the formula is each exterior angle which is equal to sum of exterior angle divided by number of sides. This is the formula. Here the formula is each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angle divided by number of sides. Here the number of sides is denoted by the small letter n. So here we know that the sum of the extra angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So the value is here 360 degree divided by number of sides. In the first question, how many sides are there? N is equal to 9 sides. So divided by 9. So make it divide here. 9 1s are 9 4 the 36. Here 0 is there. So keep as it is. So which is equal to 40 degree. Here the each extra angle is how much here? 40 degree. This is our solution. Each exterior angle is equal to 40 degree. This is the solution of second main first question. In the second question, here they given a 15 sides. This means n is equal to 15. And what we have to find here? We have to find the each exterior angle. So each exterior angle we don't know, so make it as a question mark now. Here the formula is each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angle, sum of all exterior angle divided by number of sides or n sides. Here we know that the sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Divided by n sides means the n is how much here? 15. The number of sides are 15. So right here 15. So now make it divide here. Here 15 1s are 15 2s are 30. The remainder is here 6. This means we get a 60. So we know that 15 4s are 60. So the answer is 24 degree. So each exterior angle is how much here? Each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. This is a solution. So let's see the third question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Here they given each exterior angle value. Here given what they given here? Each exterior angle is how much here? 24 degree. And what we have to calculate? Here we have to calculate the sides. So n is equal to question mark. And we know that the formula, the number of sides which is equal to sum of all exterior angle divided by each exterior angle, which is our formula. Here for solving a number of sides, here the number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angle is divided by each exterior angle. Here the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is always a 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. How much they given here in the question? 24 degree. So now make it a divide here. 24 ones are 24. Here the remainder is how much we get here? Remainder is 12. Remainder is 12. So we get a 120. So 120. 24 5 are 120. So the answer is 15. So number of sides is equal to how much here? 15 sides. This is our solution. So here I am applying a formula which is number of sides is equal to sum of a exterior angle divided by each exterior angle. The sum of exterior angle is always be a 360 degree. So each exterior angle how much they given here? 24 degrees. So right here 24. So 360 divided by 24, the answer is 15. The number of sides is 15 sides. So in this question, this is the fourth question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Here in the previous question, means third question, they given a exterior angle, but in the fourth question they given a interior angle. So what they given here? Interior angle is equal to 165 degree. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate a number of sides. How many sides are there in regular polygon? So we don't know, so keep n is equal to question mark. So interior angle is 165 degree. We have to calculate the number of sides. So number of sides is denoted a small letter n. Here we have one formula that interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Here interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. We have one formula. Here here we have to first calculate the exterior angle. So keep here the interior angle is 165, keep as it is. Here we don't know the exterior angle, here we have to calculate the exterior angle. So right here exterior angle as it is, which is equal to 180 degrees. So exterior angle is equal to, so exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Here this is a plus 165. When it goes to the right hand side, the plus sign become a minus. So minus 165 degree. So exterior angle is equal to how much here? Exterior angle is equal to 15 degree. 180 minus 165 is 15 degree. Now we get the value of exterior angle. Using this value we have to calculate the n sides. The formula is number of sides, n sides is equal to sum of exterior angle divided by each exterior angle. Each exterior angle. Here the sum of exterior angle is always a 360 degree. Here the each exterior angle is value is 15. This is a 15 degree. So now make it divide here. 15 ones are 15 twos are 30. The remainder is here 6. This become a 60. So 15 fours are 60. So here 24. The answer is 24. So this is a solution. So the regular polygon have a 24 sides. Here I am applying two condition. The first condition is we have to calculate the exterior angle. That's why I am applying a formula. Exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degrees. This is the first formula. Second formula for calculating a number of sides, I am using a formula. N sides is equal to sum of exterior angle divided by each exterior angle. This is the second formula. So the answer is 24 sides. This is the solution of fourth question. Question again we have a sub 2 questions. Let's see the first 8th question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as a 22 degree? Here in the question what they given here? In the question they given each exterior angle. So right here each exterior angle is equal to 22 degree. Here what we have to show? Here we have to show whether it is a regular polygon or not. We have to check. We have to check here it is a regular polygon or not. So here again applying a formula, number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angle divided by each exterior angle. Here I am applying this formula because in the question they given a condition each exterior angle value is 22 degree. So without knowing a number of sides we cannot be say it is a regular polygon or not. So here first we have to measure the number of sides. The formula is number of sides is equal to sum of each exterior angle divided by each exterior angle. Here we know that sum of exterior angle which is always be a 360 degree divided by each exterior angle which is given in the question, the value is 22 degree. So now make it a divide here. So I will start from 2. 2 11s are 22. 2 1s are 2. Here the remainder is 1. This become a 16 means 2 8s are 16. 0 is there, so 0 keep as it is. This means we get a result here 180 degree divided by 11. Here which is a easy division method. So check here 11 1s are 11. So 18 minus 11 is 7. Here take the 0 as it is. It become a round figure 70. So 11 6 are 66 which is the nearest number. So again 70 minus 66 is a 4. Here 4 is smaller than the 11. So we have to make this as a bigger number. So take here decimal point. And if we take a decimal point here we can easily take a 0. So here now 40 is greater than the 11. Now we have to check the nearest number of 40. So 11 3s are 33. So 40 minus 33 is again a 7. Here the solution we get here solution 16.3 which is a decimal number. Here the answer is in the form of decimal number, that is 16.3. So it is a decimal number, so it is not possible to have a regular polygon here when the each exterior angle is 22 degree, because we know that the number of sides are the natural number. It is not in the form of fraction or decimal. So always the number of sides in the form of natural number such as 3, 4, 5, 22, 39. That type of we have a sides. So this is a not possible. This is our solution. So fifth main question in that bth question, see the question here. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Here can it be an interior angle? This means the interior angle is given as a 22 degree. Here in the 8th question the given exterior angle is 22 degree. So here we also take a interior angle is also equal to how much? 22 degree. So right here interior angle is equal to 22 degree. So Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? If the exterior angle is 22 degree, then it is not possible as a regular polygon. Here in the second question, the bth question, we have to show that if interior angle is 22 degree, then it is a possible a regular polygon or not. We have to check here. So again the condition here, interior angle is equal to 22 degree. Here they are not given an exterior angle value, so here we have to calculate the first exterior angle value using the formula that interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Here first we have to calculate the exterior angle value. So write the formula for solving exterior angle. Formula is exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Here we have to calculate the exterior angle, keep as it is. Here the interior angle we have taken as a 22 degree. So write the 22 degree is equal to 180 degree. Here this is a plus 122 degree plus 22 degree. When it goes to the right hand side, the plus sign become a minus sign. So right here exterior angle is equal to each exterior angle is equal to 180 degree, plus sign will be changed to minus is equal to 22 degree. 180 minus 22 is 158 degree. So here the exterior angle is how much here? 158 degree. Now we have to calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon. So the formula is, so next formula is number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angle divided by each exterior angle. Here the sum of exterior angle value is 360 degree divided by, here each exterior angle value is how much here? 158 degree, again which is not a divisor. Here 158 degree is not a divisor of 360 degree. When we make a divisible, the answer will be in the form of decimal number. So therefore the answer is no, because 158 degree is not a divisor of 360 degree. This is a solution of 5th B question.